Vice President ke All India Trinamool Congress AITC hak Jylla Meghalaya kebadiru keseng san pertai nakaliang persyak ubak George Lyngdoh hakar pui terik yayong ula Kyntait jigi Khubor Hamsaïa bakal don keji smutu jengmut lupa bagi kertong keseng kindon hak keseng tang hadu berlakut ke election bar bikin penyaso no bagi Bharatiya Janata Party hadin ke election ubak Lyngdoh ulong bagi lak bandon gi Khubor Hamsaïa hendrei kejingi khoni election harjar fulai kalong dakawai ke jengmut kawai kemat kawai ketong ban penti kena bagi TMC kanwan Khubor bad namar bade keseng bethamai la pen kre tang hapon riu nyu benai haswa ke election ulong ru bala penyeng hadu san pun riu ngut gi kertong bad kani ke penishai ke jingtmu jong keseng
B. Some kind of rumors are such that are going around doing the rounds, but then when we had gone to the 2023 elections, we had gone with one mind, with one agenda, with one goal to ensure that the TMC comes into power and get good number of MLAs elected across the state. And with that objective, we, being a new party setting up in just 6-7 months or 8 months before the election, we had around 56 candidates, which showed the intent was pure, and at the same time the objective was to ensure that the party came with good number of MLAs.
Habakali Halor ke Jingsa Arem kinong elam ki bokongsan jo TMC ubak Lyngdoh ulong baka Jingsa Arem kinong elam ki bokongsan kalong ke Jingkhanglat nakbenta kanur keseng.
Losing any leader from a party is, for any political party, losing prominent leaders, especially elected MLAs, will always be a setback.